Hey Flowstar fam, it's Jasmine here, and today I'm glad you clicked on this video because spins are so fun, and we're going to be learning the horizontal princess spin, which looks like this. And spins are such a great trick to add in your flow. It makes it so fun to spin around, so let's continue with the tutorial. Alrighty guys, so the only prerequisite for this trick is going to be your horizontal figure 8. And this trick is all about changing your arm to a different level. So I want you to, right now, do this horizontal princess spin, do it low just like this. And then I want you to go high with me. Up here. Lower. We're gonna get used to the arm levels. High, low. Okay, high. And we're literally gonna be doing that, except you're gonna spin around. So let's add the spin. Low, low. I usually cross my leg, the leg that's out. You can do this on both sides. I'll show you the other side. Leg that's out, cross, and do like a little spin on both toes. And that makes it look really seamless. You can also do a little bunch of spins, whatever's easier for you. So down, horizontal. And we're gonna cross, up, down. We're gonna repeat. And up, woo, down. It's like honestly a great umbrella. And up one more time. I don't normally do it on the other side, but I'm gonna show you how easy it is to get. Other side down and up, cross, whee! Yes, down and up. Yep, that's it. I hope you guys enjoy that little variation princess spin. If you like this video, make sure to comment, like, subscribe. Mwah, thank you, Flowstar fam.